Welcome again to Fredo Gango Physics Online. We are still going to look at the relationship between weight and mass. And this is the question. An astronaut weighs 450 Newton on Earth. On the moon, he weighs 750 Newtons. Calculate the moon's gravitational field strength. Now, let's have a recap. How do we find weight? So we said weight is equal to mg. Now from this formula, how can we calculate mass? How can we calculate mass? Mass will be weight over gravitational field strength. Weight over gravitational field strength. And how can we calculate G, gravitational field strength? So gravitational field strength is equal to weight over mass. Weight over mass. Having known that, we can proceed. Now, how can we find the mass of the astronaut if we have the weight and we know the gravitational field strength of the Earth? Now, on Earth, the weight of the astronaut is 450 Newton. What is the gravitational field strength on Earth? The gravitational field strength on Earth is 10 Newton per kilogram. So are we able to find the mass of the astronaut on the Earth's surface? Yes, mass is equal to weight over gravitational field strength. So m is equal to weight over g. So the weight is 450 over g, which is 10. So 450 over 10 is 45, and it is the mass. So the SI unit of mass is kilogram. Now, the question asked needs the gravitational field strength of the moon. Now, on moon, what will be the mass of the astronaut on the moon? Mass. So we know that mass doesn't change. Mass doesn't change anyway. So if the mass of the astronaut is 45 kilogram on Earth, the astronaut will have the same mass on the moon surface. So the mass of the astronaut on the moon surface will be 45 kilogram. Now, what is the weight of the astronaut on the moon? So that has been given in the question. On the moon surface, he weighs 75 Newton. Now the weight will be 75 Newton. And what do we need? Gravitational field strength on the moon surface. So how do we find gravitational field strength? Gravitational field strength is equal to weight over m, which is mass. So gravitational field strength G is equal to weight over mass. The weight is 75 over 45, which is the mass. And what is the SI unit? The unit for gravitational field strength, it is Newton per kilogram. Now if you divide 75 by 45, what do you get? 75 by 45, what do you get? 1.67 Newton per kilogram, and that is the gravitational field strength of the moon. Yes. Thank you. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and you can comment, ask any question that you have in the comment section. Thank you.